Missing someone. Missing someone. Missing someone.
Hi Stephanie. Hi Steph. Hi Bridjo. What's up? Guess what? Guess what? Guess what my mans did for me for Valentine's? Just guess. Tell me what? Okay, fine. So for Valentine's, my man bought me flowers. He bought me chocolates, and as if that wasn't enough, he took me out for dinner. Oh, that's really romantic. That's really nice. Tell me I'm not the luckiest woman in this entire world. Tell me my man is not the best man in this entire world. So, Steph, what did your man buy you or do for you on Valentine's Day? Hmm. Mm, nothing much, not a big deal. He just bought me a Range Rover. Yeah, and then took me out for dinner. That was my Valentine's. And here I thought I was the luckiest woman in this entire world. You're still the luckiest woman in this entire world. You're just not as lucky as I am. I'm just saying. So, what are you guys talking about? We're just talking about Valentine's Day and the gifts that we received. So, tell me, my dear, what did you receive for Valentine's Day? That's interesting. Mm, nothing much, not a big deal. I don't think I should talk about it. It's just something simple and nice. Not a big deal. Why don't you want to tell us? I know it's not a big deal. It's also not a big deal to us. We just want to know. So, what did you receive for Valentine's Day? Yes, you want to know. You want to know, eh? You want to know what you received for Valentine's Day? Bridjo, so you pass me that 5. Thank you. Okay, fine. For Valentine's Day, I was feeling French. I was missing the French cuisine. So, my mans flew me out to this private jet to Paris for lunch, dinner. We just came in this morning. He flew where? And then I thought my mans had done it all. Wow. Rivals. Hey, David, when you think that someone else cannot top that, someone else tops that. So, me, dinner, Range Rover, private jets. Yeah. I'm starting to feel some type of way. I will never share my Valentine gifts again. Like someone else topped what David did for me. Hey, David. Private jets, Paris, Range Rover. You guys are the luckiest women in this world. You are the luckiest women in this world. Wait, wait. So, you got dinner, flowers, chocolates. She got a Range Rover. You got dinner, private jet to Paris. And I got nothing. Do you know what he told me? Do you know what my man's, the love of my life, told me? This guy told me that he doesn't believe in Valentine's Day. So I was okay with that until I heard you guys speak, and I was like, wait, there must be something wrong. Why doesn't he believe in Valentine's Day? Like, Why? Should you tell her? Baby girl, you got played. You just didn't want to buy your Valentine's gift, so you had to go with the easier option. I do not believe in Valentine's Day. Oh Lord. Hey! Rayo! Valentine is coming. Where is your boyfriend? About a month ago, you got played. Valentine is coming. Where is your boyfriend? You are sitting alone. They do not believe in Valentine. Valentine is coming. Where is your boyfriend? About a month ago.
Valentine is coming. Where is your boyfriend? You are sitting at